It's like I always tell people, your dog's not made of sugar.
Yeah. Learn to be resilient. Totally.
Sure, 100%, right? Like we do all these things to comfort him, and I think mentally we crush him. Oh, he needs a soft bed. He needs 100 toys. He needs this. He needs that. I'm like, a dog out there, out in the wild, going to sleep in the mud and the dirt. Right. He doesn't care.
At the end of the day, they're animals.
Yeah, 100%.
We cannot anthropomorphize them.
No.
I said it correctly.
There
Did
you
you
go.
get it? Did you get it? Because I didn't.
You had to squeeze that one in there.
I mumbled right through that one. Tripped on my own tongue.